Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Recipes Fitness Tips. Today's video is about how to lose weight fast with apple cider vinegar, how to drink apple cider vinegar in empty stomach every morning. Before buying apple cider vinegar, just make sure it is with mother and keep it in a cool dark place. Do not freeze it or do not keep it in sunlight. In my another video I have shared that how this apple cider vinegar is helpful for weight loss and its other health benefits. Just check it out. Before using it, just shake it well. To lose more weight, here I am adding some lemon juice also. Here I am using 1 glass cup. I am adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in it. Now I am adding some lemon juice with it. You can add cinnamon powder also if you wish. Now I am adding water. It is normal water. It should not be consumed by children and those who are pregnant or breastfeeding women. Here I am using 1 straw to drink this apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not good for our teeth, so I am using this straw. The link of this apple cider vinegar is in the description box. Subscribe us today for more videos.